Yo, what up, y'all? You know the People's Champ had to pull up and end the weekend with a few words and a few thoughts, getting into the week. You know what I'm saying? Today's vibes was just again just chilling poolside, and I it just feels like such a cleanse of man. It's hard to explain. I've been talking about this dopamine detox for quite some time, but it's just opening so much creativity. That's why I'm able to just, you know, put these type of mixes and different visuals together, is because my creativity is coming back. You know what I'm saying? And it just from me taking a step back from social media. So I'm not saying that I quit cold turkey. I'm still dipping here and there, seeing what friends and family are up to. You know what I'm saying? Because it's the playoffs, and what I mean, the group chats are jumping, but I'm limiting myself. I'm limiting myself from all the BS, man, because it's the same story for the past 12 months, man. And I'm like, yo, we need to do better, man. So instead of me just like shaming people, because I did catch myself using sign language, uh, shame, insult, guilt, and the need to be right. Taking that quote from Kevin Samuels. But I did catch myself, and I'm like, yo, man, I am acting out of character, yo. I need to get back to the fundamentals. You know what I'm saying? Talking about the fundamentals again. Like, I gotta mind my business, and I gotta get to the bag regardless. So I'm doing a number of creative things. Like, look, wait, yeah, right here, change the logo. This is like a mock-up. I'm working on the logo for the network, you know what I'm saying? And I was able to do this all in Canva and a few other tools, man. But creativity, man, we need to get back to creating. We need to get back to dreaming, dog. And yo, man, I'm making so much great connections, and it's away from the nonsense, because it's going to continue. We're heading into another week with uncertainty, and I can pretty guesstimization what's going to go on. You know what I'm saying? And that's like a ton of infighting. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, hey, over here, this over here is the people's favorite channel on the internet. You know what I'm saying? I'm creating that vibe here. It's going to be the people's favorite internet channel where they come to decompress, you know what I mean, chill, enjoy the vibes, connect, network, and build. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm creating over here. So it's away from all the nonsense, the clicks and all that. It's just chill vibes over here. So if you all about that life, you want to pull up, have some prosperous conversations with your boy, you're more than welcome, man. I'm going to start dropping a link. One of the things that I have been working on this weekend is like setting up the live stream where I can add guests, because I want to interact with the people. The people's champ got to interact with the people, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, your boy is, I'm happy. Still got a ton of work to do internally and externally as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to try to, no, I'm not going to try. Well, I am going to try to go to the gym this week, man. I've dealt with this freaking issue for past 9 months now, and I think it is time. But I have like these mental blocks, which, you know what I'm saying, being off of social media has helped. I'm not having that FOMO. I don't have that want what somebody else have, right? I get to originate thought and create, like, yo, this is what I want to do. I'm ready to do it. Let's get it done. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, man, Yeah, as I am setting the vibes, I got my Mary Jane all crumbled up off camera, of course. You know what I'm saying? And lit up some incense. Smells so good. Take a quick little rip. You know what I'm saying? And then wifey actually putting the kids to bed. So I'm getting to wrap up this video. So yeah, gonna take a little rip, veg out on the couch, catch the tail end of the Phoenix game, and also we got a couple of shows that we are behind on. What's the name of that show? Winning Time, the Lakers docu series, and damn, what's the other one? It's some sci-fi. I don't even think it's sci-fi, but dystopian sort of thing. Anyway, it's gonna come to me. Anyway, guys, I rambled long enough. Anyway, yeah, man. So hope you guys had a great weekend. Again, people's favorite channel on the internet, on this side of the internet. So if you fuck with me, come holla. We gonna have a great week regardless on this side. You know what I'm saying? So no matter what you're going through, come here. Smile's gonna be on your face. You're gonna decompress and all that, man. Anyway, enough talking. With that being said, man, again, drink water, get money, mind your business. Peace out.